Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world today. I hope you're absolutely fantastic, especially if you are in Florida and you are getting your life back together after that crazy back-to-back hurricane history-making disaster. So again, thoughts to everyone who is without water, electricity, their business, their home. What I do find about America is they build back better. So I have no doubt that it's just going to take some patience before the infrastructure gets modernized and redone. But nevertheless, it's going to be difficult for a while for many. And all the best to everyone who has to rebuild their lives. On to today's market. I just want to say that for the day traders who are trading on the 2-minute or the sensitive time cycles, if you haven't picked it up just yet, my advice is to look out for the non-tradable shapes, I guess. I want to say the non-tradable periods, but maybe that's not clear enough. Sorry, it's been a long day. I've been coding my ass off. All right, so what I'm talking about over here is, if you don't know about it as yet, the symmetrical triangle, either the ascending or descending, so that's bigger or smaller, so it can be reverse symmetrical triangle, is a node trade shape. I'm bringing this up because I've come across many of the symmetrical triangles as well as the double bottoms on the 2-minute chart, which actually I was quite surprised to see. But the frequency of their appearance on the 2-minute chart is just saying that the location of where the turning points should be aren't being met. And I think that's because of the frequency of information that's flowing into the 2-minute chart. So back on topic, look out for the symmetrical triangles, the reverse of that, and then the double bottoms and double tops. So I won't cover double bottoms and double tops today. I know you pretty much already know that, but there aren't too many examples in this environment. But it's just something to be aware of, because what I find is that opening up a trade and then seeing price not follow through in a predictable, obvious manner can mess with your psychology, and you want to kind of close that trade, or it really takes away your confidence in your open position. All right, 3 minutes already. Well, I guess the first minute wasn't necessarily trading directly related, so I want to go for a little while longer just to finish this point. Here's the reverse of that symmetrical triangle as I see it on chart. And I'm going to just use these two examples to further bring home the point I was trying to make. So say, for example, you know that the price action is going to go up. How you know that is by, on the higher time frames, that's what it's following. It's following that 45-degree angle. It's up. I haven't got the tools down, but I can see it with my naked eye. I'm sure you can as well. And basically, what a symmetrical triangle is the repositioning of the actual location of where the turning point should be, but it didn't get there because of consolidation or markets were sleeping or whatever reason. So over here, how you can identify a symmetrical triangle is that it will have the opposite of what the direction is trying to do as a sequence, and then follow in direction. So over here, it will have a lower low, kind of just a little bit lower over there, followed by a higher high, followed by a lower low, and then bam, it'll have that run to reposition itself and to continue its journey. So this is very negative if you have opened up a long position over here, or even back here, to be realistic. So you knew that the price was eventually going to go up. You open up a long position, you set your stop loss, and then it goes up for a while and then crashes down. Oh no, this is not good. And then it goes up for a while, then it crashes down even further. So you close your position thinking that you didn't get the trend right on the higher frame, or something unpredictable happened. And then whoop, it stops and goes the other direction. And then you just like bang your head against the table, and scream into the nearest pillow or whatever it is that you can, because how frustrating these can be. So again, if you haven't watched my videos on the stop loss and where to place it, get back to one of them, because that can obviously see you through these environments. And same thing over here. You can see that that is the reverse of the symmetrical triangle. These would normally be a lot bigger, so not big kind of emotional shakeups over here. But as you'll see, it goes high, it builds a low, then the lower high, higher low, and then it continues, but it doesn't really. So just be aware of these symmetrical triangles. And I think, again, a correctly set stop loss will get you through those. So yeah, make sure to watch out for them on the lower time frames. That's it for today, guys. Ciao for now. I'll catch up with you in the next one.